Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to borrow airtime on AirtelTigo. So if you're an AirtelTigo user and you're thinking of borrowing airtime, then this particular video is for you. So first of all, dial the USSD code star 505 hash. Dial this code. Yeah, we have a lot of options in here. Select the one. So if you want airtime, you select option 1. But if you want a data loan, then you select option 3. So in here, we're talking about airtime, option 1. So if you want data loan, you select option 3. So in here, we have get the highest available credit, choose the credit amount. So you can select 2, choose the credit amount, select 2 to choose the credit amount. Then enter the amount that you want to borrow. Enter the amount that you want to borrow. So let's say in here, I want to borrow 10 cedis, 6. Yeah. So that's it. After you've selected the amount, the airtime will be sent into your account. So that's how simple and easy it is to borrow airtime on AirtelTigo. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give a sweet comment. See you in the next video.